Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, if you're an off-roader, you know that invariably you are going to get stuck on the trail. And if you can figure out a way to get stuck, these guys are going to figure out how to get you unstuck. Chris, tell me about Gear America and how you're going to get me out of trouble.
At Gear America, we make a really comprehensive line of recovery gear. Everything from tow straps, kinetic recovery ropes, shackle hitch receivers, snatch block, shackles, we do everything. In any situation that you get stuck on, we're going to provide a product that's going to help you get unstuck, whether you're using a winch and need a snatch block, or you just have somebody that's stuck on some ice and just need a gentle tow with a tow strap. For example, we have a complete kit right here that comes with a carry bag, which doubles as a winch line damper, because this is a ultimate winch and rigging recovery kit. It comes with a tree strap, so you're not doing any damage to a tree with your winch line. It comes with a tow strap, a snatch block, and a couple of our mega shackles and a pair of gloves. So it's got everything you need to get somebody out of a sticky situation. But maybe you don't need all that stuff. So you can buy tree savers separately. You can get hitch receiver shackle mounts, and we have them both in steel shackles and aluminum, nice lightweight. Here's our kinetic recovery rope. Now, a lot of people do this in a bundle where we take our ultra hitch receiver shackle mount, which is made in the USA, 10,000 pound working load and a 25,000 pound ultimate strength. And this mounts in the 2-inch receiver hitch of any truck or SUV, Jeep, things like that, which is the strongest and safest place to do a recovery from. You take one of these and one of our 1/2-inch soft shackles, which has a 45,000 pound braking strength and a kinetic recovery rope. So, I mean, the real short version of the story is you put it through the rope, you put it through the shackle, you connect the soft shackle into the hitch receiver shackle mount, and you've got a system that's going to use kinetic energy to pull out a vehicle. The kinetic recovery rope at 28,500 pounds braking strength actually stores kinetic energy. This has a bit of stretch to it. You won't be able to see it because I can't pull it hard enough.
Essentially a big rubber band.
Yeah. It stretches about 28% of its length. So you can take something like a 4,500 pound Jeep and pull out that 12,000 pound dually diesel with a canopy on it. Amazing stuff.
If you're in trouble, a snatch block is something you're really going to want to have, and you guys have that covered at Gear America.
Yeah, we have several different snatch blocks, from our 9-ton, which is a really basic one with 2 steel plates, all the way to our Mega Snatch, which is a 25-ton. We do have an aluminum version here, and then this one here is called our Smart Snatch Block. As you can see, it's about the size of my hand. This one's actually a really tough snatch block, but it is designed for like the ATV and UTV market. So anytime you need a snatch block when you're winching, we've got you covered from all angles.
And because it's a pulley, you're getting the mechanical advantage, essentially doubling your capabilities with the winch.
Absolutely.
And let's move on to the shackles themselves here. You have a couple different examples and lots of colors.
Yep, all of our shackles come in pairs, but I wanted to put them all out here so you can see all the colors. A lot of people like to accessorize with their Jeep, make them different colors, things like that. I mean, you can see the Gear America Jeep, we've got different graphics in orange and things like that on it. So we like to make it so you can accessorize it the way you want. You have several kinds of shackles. This one here is an ultra shackle. This is really lightweight. This weighs about half of what a normal standard shackle weighs and about twice the strength. This is our Mega Shackle here, which is a steel shackle. And then of course we have our Uber shackle, which is this right here. This has got an 80,000 pound ultimate braking strength, and all of our shackles come with nice little rubber isolators to keep corrosion down and keep noise down, and we even make an isolator to keep them from hitting the bumper. But this one here is set up with all of the industry leading stuff like the anti-theft system.
Well, our buddy Harris is back here on the rear of the Jeep. And Harris, how does the Uber shackle actually go on and how does it work?
Well, our industry-leading Uber shackle has our anti-theft pin system. So what that is each set of our shackles comes with a pin for the Uber. It's the key. So this end cap is actually reverse threaded. All you do is put it on the end and rotate it. It's totally opposite. Righty-tighty no longer exists. So here's a prime example. When you're off-roading, when that cap falls off, you're going to lose it in the mud. So you either take off this cap before you go off-roading, or if you leave it on there, you can go ahead and take your soft shackle, run it through here, and then go ahead and hook up. Then you don't have to worry about losing your pin in the mud, losing the cap, or anything of that nature. With the Uber shackle, it allows you the safety and security of not losing it while you're on the trail. We spend a lot of money on our rigs, and when you have something this nice, especially with that 10-ton workload on it, you don't want to lose it, you don't want somebody taking it from you.
I doubt anybody's going to have trouble with this, but if there's an issue, what can they do?
They can just go on our website and fill out a warranty claim, because we do have that hassle-free lifetime warranty to protect all of our products. So any issues, just get a hold of us and we'll take care of it.
And you guys are all about giving back as well.
Absolutely. We give back 10% to St. Jude's on any and all of our purchases. It doesn't matter where you buy a Gear America product.
And they can find you on the web.
At GearAmerica.com, and then for our Canadian folks, we're at GearAmerica.ca.
Fantastic. Great stuff. You can find them online. It is truly the last recovery gear you will ever need at Gear America. We shall return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings in just a little bit.